What up guys, we're here at the Delicate Arch here at Moab. So we'll be doing the 1.5 mile hike. It's pretty busy today, so we'll do it. This is the moment of truth, guys. So this is the start of the trail, or the Delicate Arch Trail right there. So this is the moment of truth. 1.5 mile hike it is. So you see the parking is fully packed. The start of the trail, 1.5 miles before you reach the Delicate Arch. Iconic image here in Utah. What up, Ali? As you follow the trail, they have some historic houses like this. It's a part of the attraction. Look at this house. Beautiful. Tree. This one. Okay, let's move on to the trail. Of course, we have our eyes on the prize right here. Delicate Trail. That would make our trip here in Artis meaningful, because that's the thing that we really wanted to go here. Alright, got it. So the hike is right there, going up, and I'm here again with my favorite hike mate. Okay, yeah, how do you like the hike?
I don't like it.
Really? Again?
Yeah, because we are about to go uphill.
Oh my god. But this is just a short hike.
No,
It says it's just like a 1.5 miles. So, see, people are running right there.
It's because you're going downhill.
But this is the thing that we came here for. To see this beautiful iconic image
We came here for a milkshake.
here in Utah. So let's go, guys, let's go. So it's all coming up and down right here. You see, it's just a short one. Say hi, guys.
No. So it's only 3.1 kilometers round trip. So I researched without interruption. You can get into the arch in less than an hour or an hour. So
Let's go.
The one with the mud, I think. I know, we went on two hikes.
Like Jekylls, that kind of thing.
So we are about to descend from the other side, so you can see this overlooking. So this thing is a moderate hike. You don't need any special gears for this one, just sneakers.
Sneakers with good traction.
Yeah, good traction.
Or even overweight.
Okay, so I hope we're halfway already.
Halfway natin.
It's kind of tiring too. But then again, every time we go hiking, the beautiful view like even it out. Like if you're tired, just look around and you're good. And plus exercise is good for your body and soul. So let's do this. So this hike looks easy again from my own opinion, but it has a lot of rocks and
A lot of inclines.
it tends to be like easy on your mind but a little bit hard if you're doing it already. So just be cautious, guys. It's not that easy if you read the program or the map. But look at those beautiful views, man. It's beautiful food for your body and soul.
There was not a peep. You didn't say a word.
Nature.
Could have been knocked out for all I knew. Yeah. Never paid into RSPs. Never.
How are you feeling right now?
Tired.
Still far, I think.
The rain looks pretty imminent. It is quite a ways.
Oh, okay. Are we almost halfway there? At least
40%?
40%? Oh my god.
This next part is like the steepest, and then
And it's not as difficult.
All right.
And the view is way better than this.
Okay.
It's just the incline that's making it difficult.
Yeah,
But this one is they say it's
yeah,
more
once you
steep.
get up
It's
this big rock
spectacular.
The
section-
Oh.
distance is okay, but the incline.
All right.
It's spectacular.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
So you heard it, guys. We're just 40%. Here you go. So we're not even
Celebrating Mother's Day with Mother Nature.
yeah, that's right.
Celebrating Mother's Day with Mother Nature, with Mother Queen,
Yeah,
or the Queen Mother.
that's right. And the rain is about to pour too, so
Queen Mother celebrating Mother's
that's
Day
a
with
special
Mother
one.
Nature.
Celebrating Mother's Day with Mother Nature.
With the Queen Mother.
Plus the rain will pour, so You see the thunder rumbling right there.
It makes it hard.
My foot's like sliding forward the last like.
We'll see.
Queen Mother with Mother Nature and Mother City.
All right. So we have reached the top of this steepest climb right there. So at this point we are on top, and that climb so we just go on with the trail right there, and hopefully it is not that far from here, so let's go. All right. Okay. All right. After a little bit of a breather, we are now proceeding to going to our mission. Always remember, eyes on the prize, guys. If you don't work hard for it, you won't see the beauty of it. So let's do this. So once again, guys, we are on top of the mountain we just climbed. So this is the view from up here. So we are almost here at the arch. I can see one arch here, and my favorite hiking buddy is already tired. My favorite hiking buddy is already tired. So just a little more baby steps, big baby, and we're almost there. So I can see one arch right here. I don't know what it's called. So we're almost there, guys. What can you say?
Nothing.
This is my favorite hiking buddy.
I hate this.
My love. So shout out, guys, if you have a daughter like this that you love so much. Okay, yeah, I love this. We're almost there, baby.
No, we're not.
Oh, see the view? Now look. Okay, almost there. Look at this beautiful view up here, guys. Man, everything just flipped around, you know. From me complaining about how hard this hike is, or me questioning my endurance if I can make it. But if you go and see the beauty of this one. It's unbelievable. Okay, break time. So moving on after our break, I think we are almost there. As you can see, one hole in the wall, I think. I don't know. Let's go. Dude. Whew. There we go. I think we have just reached it. I think so. And we just did. Wow. There you go, guys.
Oh, there. No, not enough. I know my sense of how someone asked me.
So what you guys can say about the hike?
Terrible.
How about you? Okay, photo pa. Hold on. Sige, 360 yan. Kaway. Ikat natin ganun. Ikat siya. Ikat.
About 100-mile walk.
And so we have reached the top again after the hardest climb. And I will cut the video up to here only. We're not gonna do the video going down because we're still gonna hang out here, pretend that this is our hotel room, and then wake up seeing this beautiful view on a 360 angle. We just found a spot here that is shaded, so we're kind of cooling off right here. Say hi, Ali. And there's my favorite hiking buddy. She's already sleeping. What's up, Tay? And there's my beautiful wife. What's up, Anne? Happy Mother's Day. So once again, guys, this is the end of the video, and wishing all you mothers out there to spend a beautiful day with your family. Please follow travel, motorcycle, food content, and subscribe. So we'll be having some travel vlog next month on our Euro trip. So thank you guys again. Arches National Park. Sign out.